Hello, my name is Remington in Action, and welcome to my video on using Xcode for a Mac. To begin with, you have a few different windows you could also open up. For example, this opens up where you could select your project. This opens up where your output will come up and also the debugger. To the left is the debugger, to the right is what your program will actually produce. To begin running your program, you could either click the play button right here or go to Product Run, or build it specifically for running. For example, this is your build succeeded, the code is running. If you want to add in a breakpoint, you could click on any line of the code. For example, if you go here, go to debug, add breakpoint at a current line, and now you have a breakpoint at this symbol. So when you run the code, it will go up to that breakpoint, and this will show you, down here will show you all the variables you have to define for up to that breakpoint. We have every single quiz and the value and values that they're produced. If you want to actually step into the code, this will bring you down line per line, and it will bring you down to the end of the code for that breakpoint. If you want to reduce your code, for example, if you want to reduce the if statements to make it more neat, you could click there. If you want to reduce the entire thing, it will go away, like that. Note that it's for each syntax. If you're doing the syntax as a whole, the entire code will reduce. But if you're trying to do an else statement, for example, you could reduce just that. If you have a giant code like this and only want to enter a section of it, if you go to right-click, open Assistant Editor, you could be able to scroll up to the top of your code here and continue working, or scroll down here while working too. Currently, you still have your breakpoint activated, so the code will only work up to that breakpoint. You could either go to deactivate breakpoints or press Ctrl-Y. Disabling the breakpoint will no longer allow you to step into the code at that point, and will run the code as a whole. If you want to, you could reactivate the breakpoint by clicking Debug, Activate Breakpoints, and run the code again. You could continue once in there to stepping in by using the Step Out, Step Into, Simulate Location, or to step over.